Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring how to create anxiety-friendly spaces through interior design. Our environment plays a crucial role in our mental well-being, and with a few thoughtful changes you can transform your home into a calming retreat. If you're ready to reduce stress and enhance relaxation, stay tuned. 1. The importance of a calming environment. Before we dive into the tips, let's talk about why creating a calming environment is so important. Our surroundings can significantly impact our mood, stress levels, and overall mental health. Cluttered, noisy, or chaotic spaces can exacerbate anxiety, while a well-designed, serene environment can help soothe the mind and body. Interior design isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a space that supports your mental and emotional well-being. A calming environment can enhance your ability to relax, focus, and feel more at peace. Now let's get into how you can achieve this in your own home. 2. Decluttering and minimalism. First things first, decluttering. A cluttered space can overwhelm your senses and increase stress levels. Start by getting rid of items you don't need or use. Donate, recycle, or sell them. The goal is to create a clean, open space where you can breathe and relax. Embrace minimalism. This doesn't mean you have to live in a stark, empty room. Instead, focus on keeping items that bring you joy and serve a purpose. Minimalism is about creating a space that feels open and uncluttered, allowing your mind to feel the same. 3. Choosing calming colors. Colors have a powerful impact on our emotions. When designing an anxiety-friendly space, choose colors that promote calm and relaxation. Soft, muted tones like blues, greens, and neutrals are excellent choices. Blue is known for its calming effects and can help lower blood pressure and heart rate. Green, reminiscent of nature, brings a sense of tranquility and balance. Neutral colors like beige, gray, and white provide a clean, soothing backdrop that can make a space feel more expansive and serene. Consider using these colors on your walls, furniture, and decor. You can also add pops of color through accessories like pillows, rugs, and artwork to keep the space from feeling too monochromatic. 4. Natural light and lighting. Natural light is a mood booster and can help reduce anxiety. Whenever possible, maximize the amount of natural light in your home. Open curtains and blinds during the day to let in as much light as possible. For artificial lighting, use soft, warm lights to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Avoid harsh, fluorescent lights that can be overstimulating. Layer your lighting with a mix of ambient, past, and accent lighting to create a balanced and flexible lighting scheme. Consider using dimmable lights and lamps with adjustable settings so you can control the brightness according to your needs. Soft, warm lighting can help you relax in the evenings, while brighter, more focused lighting can help you stay alert during the day. 5. Incorporating nature. Bringing elements of nature into your home can have a calming effect. Plants, natural materials, and nature-inspired decor can help create a serene environment. Houseplants are an excellent way to introduce nature into your space. They not only purify the air, but also add a touch of greenery that can boost your mood. Some great options for anxiety-friendly plants include lavender, jasmine, and snake plants. Use natural materials like wood, stone, and bamboo in your furniture and decor. These materials have a grounding effect and can make your space feel more connected to the natural world. You can also incorporate nature-inspired artwork, such as landscapes or botanical prints, to enhance the calming atmosphere. 6. Creating cozy and comfortable spaces. Comfort is key when designing an anxiety-friendly space. Create cozy nooks and comfortable seating areas where you can relax and unwind. Invest in comfortable furniture that supports your body and invites you to sit and stay a while. Soft, plush fabrics and cushions can add an extra layer of comfort. Consider creating a reading nook with a comfy chair, soft throw blanket, and good lighting. This can be your go-to spot for relaxation and self-care. Textures also play a crucial role in creating a cozy environment. Incorporate soft textures like plush rugs, throw pillows, and blankets to make your space feel warm and inviting. These elements can provide a sense of security and comfort, helping to reduce anxiety. 7. Reducing noise and enhancing acoustics. Noise can be a significant source of stress and anxiety. Reducing unwanted noise and improving the acoustics in your home can create a more peaceful environment. Consider using rugs, curtains, and upholstered furniture to absorb sound and reduce noise levels. You can also use soundproofing materials or white noise machines to block out external noises. Adding soft background music or nature sounds can enhance the calming atmosphere. Choose soothing instrumental music or sounds of nature like rainfall, ocean waves, or birdsong to create a tranquil environment. 8. Personalizing your space. Your home should be a reflection of your personality and interests. Personalizing your space can make it feel more comfortable and familiar, reducing anxiety. Display items that bring you joy and have positive associations. This could be family photos, artwork, souvenirs from travels, or favorite books. Surrounding yourself with things you love can create a sense of security and happiness. Create spaces that cater to your hobbies and interests. If you enjoy reading, set up a cozy reading corner. If you like art, create a small studio space. These personalized areas can provide a sanctuary where you can engage in activities that relax and fulfill you. 9. Incorporating aromatherapy. Aromatherapy can be a powerful tool in creating an anxiety-friendly environment. Certain scents have been shown to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Lavender, chamomile, and bergamot are known for their calming properties. Use essential oils in diffusers, candles, or room sprays to infuse your home with these soothing scents. Experiment with different aromas to find what works best for you. Aromatherapy can be a simple yet effective way to enhance the calming atmosphere of your home. 10. Creating a daily routine. A well-designed space is most effective when paired with a calming daily routine. Establishing routines can provide a sense of stability and predictability, which can reduce anxiety. Start your day with a calming morning routine. This could include activities like meditation, journaling, or a quiet cup of tea. Create a bedtime routine to help you wind down and prepare for a restful night's sleep. This might involve reading, a warm bath, or gentle stretches. Consistency is key. By incorporating these routines into your daily life, you can create a sense of calm and control that extends beyond your physical environment. 11. Practical tips and DIY projects. Here are some practical tips and DIY projects to help you create an anxiety-friendly space. 1. Declutter one room at a time. Tackle one room at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Start with the room where you spend the most time. 2. Paint a room in calming colors. Choose a room to repaint in soothing colors like soft blues, greens, or neutrals. This simple change can make a big difference. 3. Create a plant corner. Dedicate a corner of your home to houseplants. Group plants of different sizes and types to create a mini indoor garden. 4. DIY aromatherapy sprays. Make your own room sprays with essential oils. Mix water with a few drops of your favorite calming essential oils in a spray bottle for a quick and easy way to add soothing scents to any room. 5. Set up a relaxation area. Designate a specific area in your home for relaxation. This could be a cozy chair by a window, a hammock, or a meditation corner with cushions and soft lighting. These simple projects can help you transform your home into a more anxiety-friendly space. Creating an anxiety-friendly space is about more than just aesthetics. It's about designing an environment that supports your mental well-being. By incorporating these tips and making thoughtful changes to your home, you can create a sanctuary that helps reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Remember, your home should be a place where you feel safe, comfortable, and at peace. Take the time to design spaces that reflect your needs and preferences, and you'll reap the benefits of a calmer, more serene environment.